me more tour over it again. We're at the Troy Marriott, as you can see, and we got a Montgomery elevator. But as you can see, no, this is not a Vector, but they do have a Vector cross station. Let's take a ride. Up. It's here, as you can see. Okay. Let's get on. Close. Over here is your rear door. Ooh. Here's your indicator. As you can see, the indicator's dead. Here's the fixture. This is the only original one remaining at this garage. However, well, let me show you the down Vector cross station on top. As you can see, yep, it's up close. The door's almost closed on me. Let's go to one. This isn't the best elevator, kind of rough and beat up. A little dirty, but still runs very nicely. The hotel, you have to press 1 R, and 1 R is a little up from 1. Since this parking garage kind of on a hill a little. Oh, we're already at 1. As you can see, the fixtures kind of look like balls, but they're innovation universal. Here's what your call station looks like. It was replaced with innovation. Up, there it goes. And that's it.